Where there is will, there is way. Where there is will, there is way. Because after May, there is again November. From the balance sheet of humanity to the profit and loss account of emotions, who is all in good books of chartered accountants. Chartered accountants are the ones who create economies, create finance to rely on, create opportunities to grow. It's truly an honor for all the CAs out there to be one, because they are in some way contributing to strengthening the economy of our country. Happy CA Day! On this very special day, 1st July, which is celebrated as Chartered Accountant Day. So the commercials are going to perform a skit based on it. The first step to getting what you want is having the courage to get rid of what you can't. The happiest trend is 10th class end.
Scene 1. Students are talking about what they'll take after 10th exam. Characters of Scene 1 are students Kanan, Hardik, Harsh, Greshika and Arzu as a counselor.
Finally, our 10 boards are over.
Yes, but the real way of life starts now.
Yes, but how?
I am very confused.
What should we do then?
How to overcome our confusion?
Children, why do you hear when I am here? I'll help you out. The one interested in becoming doctor, engineer can go for science. The one pursuing legal, humanities can go for art. And the one interested in business, accounting, economics can go for commerce.
Okay, thank you. Now I am much clear to opt commerce as per my interest.
Discussion between students and teacher regarding concentration and focus on CA.
Finally, we opted commerce. At last, we are glad about it, right?
But now I am excited to get inquired about what would be the most appropriate career.
Don't waste your energy, kids. Just work.
Don't waste your energy, kids. Just work with the strategy. Commerce is a good stream to be opted, and it throws the light on many other bright career options. One of these is CA.
Ma'am, is CA worth choosing?
My child, you can't be a doctor of Homo sapiens by opting it, but you can be a doctor of accountancy and business by it.
Interesting enough, but ma'am, is it hard to be a CA?
Work hard in this phase of life. Later, you will get a good shine. Every field needs hard work, but if you are dedicated towards it, it's not that tough.
Absolutely right, ma'am. It's a well-reputed and interesting job to be done. I have decided that I will go for CA.
Yes, we will also go for CA.
That's my children. And if not, you can also go for MBA, CS or civil services also. They are good choices as well.
Yes, ma'am. I have decided that I will concentrate on my goal to be a CA.
No distraction can distract us. We are firm to our decisions.
On 1st July 1949, ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, was formed.
Then you are looking for the right course. CA is one of the most precious and challenging courses, especially in India.
There is a myth in a society that a CA just performs audit and files returns. Its scope is far more than this.
Last but not the least, we would like to end our presentation with a beautiful quote.
CA, a two-letter word,
Containing struggle and failure,
holding ocean of desire
reputation of society,
and dreams of family.
don't underestimate CA goals.
Happy CA Day. Thank you and have a nice day.